Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. This channel is about technical analysis on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and altcoins. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Basically, I believe in wave theories, Fibonacci ratios, and patterns are everywhere. Patterns are formed by the trading psychology between the buyers and sellers. So today I want to discuss about the long-term price analysis of Bitcoin, where we are in the market, and whether it is a uptrend or whether it is a downtrend or it is a sideways. So let us go deep dive into it. First of all, in order to analyze a particular coin, particular chart or particular commodity, we have to see in the macro structure level, and then we have to deep dive into the microstructure. Let us see here the 10 years chart from the it's a BLX Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin. See, this is the chart most people are using it for the most historical data. So I believe that in the patterns we can observe in the micro levels will form the same way in the macro levels. I like similarities between will be there. So I believe let us consider this as one wave. This particular part is second wave. The second cycle we can say a first cycle, second cycle, and this is third cycle. What comes next is the fourth cycle. How can you say it is a fourth cycle? Let us go deep down into it. Suppose let us see this particular first cycle. This is first cycle. In minor cycle I can say this is second cycle, this is third cycle, and the final fourth cycle. So I think that we are in this particular, this is micro level, in this particular this is the macro level. So let us go deep dive into it where we are in the market. So I am considering like you can see this particular pattern is similar to this particular cycle. This particular pattern is similar to this particular pattern. Just like in a overall picture, this particular pattern is similar to this particular pattern. See, down and up and up. So it again bullish term. So for better understanding, I will consider this 2013 to 2014 cycle. Let us go deep dive into it. Okay, so I'll zoom it out for better understanding. So in order to understand where we are in the market cycle, we have to zoom out. See, let us see the similarities between here. I am zooming out. See, this is the present chart of Bitcoin USD in the third cycle. See, here if you observe this downtrend, up, down, and fall off. What happened here? See, downtrend, up, slowly correction, correction, and fall off. You can see the most similarities in this cycle. Let us see what happened next. Here this is the old cycle, right? 2013, you can see it, up the correction and up, and see, up, correction, up, and fall off. Here there is fall off, and again up, whether it is there or not. See, again up and fall off, again up and fall off. Let us see here. See, this is the I have taken the candlesticks now and fall off. Let us see here where it has been fall off. So this particular zone, let us take it as, see, it tested it. So we have to check whether it has been tested or not. See, see, it has been tested. So I can assume that this particular pattern will almost resembles this macro structure. So let us go deep dive into it. Let us see where we are leading it to. So after this retesting, what happened next in this microstructure? See, after this retesting, it went up straight to this particular zone. It went up straight to this particular zone. See, again some consolidation has been happened. Again some consolidation is happening on. See, again up, some down. Again up and some down. Sorry. See, again up, some down, and we already retested it. That's why I called this is the bottom. I think most CT Twitter is saying that like we can fall below this and we can going into the downtrend. But according to this, but I believe I will not listen to the noise. I just believe in the patterns. I just believe in the technical analysis, because everybody will say it up. When it goes up, it will say, they will say okay, go on, buy, and when they go down they will say sell. It's not like that. We have to observe where the liquidity comes, where the more buyers are there, and where the institutional investors will come into picture, and how the regulations is going on. So these are the things. So at this particular zone, if you see it, we are in this particular zone here. So what comes next? See, we'll go up. That is the reason I call the 14,500 level or some level like the next target for Bitcoin. What happens in the long term picture? I'm just saying this is the target for the short term, but I'm completely bullish on Bitcoin in the long term perspective for the next 1.5 year or 2 years, like that. Let us see what happened next. We're in this particular zone. What happened next? It will go up, retest the high, or it will go like $20,000 is a minimum target. It will cross beyond 20,000 at 28,000, like 30,000, and after that again some consolidation may happen. See, sorry, it went up, some retesting has been done, so I am expecting the same thing. It will go up for $28,000 and $30,000, or retest again. After that again some correction, consolidation sideways, and went up. So I think the same thing can happen. Like first of all we have to go for $14,500 and go for a correction, and again for 30,000 and again correction, and go on like $70,000 or $1 lakh. I even like unpredictable. It's unpredictable because the more and more people, like advertisements and institutional investor fidelity, everybody is coming into the picture. More amount of fiat currency printing, this makes this chart can go on for $1 million also. um, I just, it's a speculation. I don't say it will come picture or something like that, but it's a pure speculation because offing has been happened, and again we have a 2024 offing is there. So I believe that it can go up and again go for a consolidation buy, because BTC is the king. BTC is always the king because it is a trustworthy for everyone. Like in order to like still until unless like Ethereum, Ripple or some else will overcome this, till then BTC like overcome in the sense like a trustworthy, like a safe haven. Until unless till then BTC will be the king. Once Ethereum or Ripple will overtake this market cap, then only, or almost resemble this market cap, then only this BTC will come down. I think it will take few years to have further it has to be happen. So I think my next targets will be like this is my overall scenario: $14,500 and like 30,000 or 32,000, maybe around 70,000 or 75,000. These are all overall like my next few targets. I won't be selling these anything in the near term. I will be overall bullish. Mostly at present the scenario, I fully bullish on altcoins for the next 1.5 year. If at all it hits, I'll just personally believe there will be a two alt season in this next cycle, because every Bitcoin cycle in the top there will be like I observed that there will be two cycles, one at the starting phase and one at the ending phase, like what happened in the previous cycle. So I believe that it has to be happen here, like in the 2021 starting, or it has to be happen the bigger like bull market, like each one like cycle 10x 20x or 36, like XRP Ethereum will go on for all-time high also, and then again has to happen the top. I personally believe on selling BTC and all the altcoins like in the first alt season and again in the top of the Bitcoin cycle, because once the second alt season happens, I can we can clearly say that or we can assume that okay, this is the top of the Bitcoin, so we have to go into the USD pairing. This is my overall perspective, because just first of understand the macro structure, what structure resembles the present scenario and what may happen. So I think this video will be helpful for all the people. This is for the educational purpose. If you like my video, please click like and subscribe my channel for more videos. My technology is not a financial advice, only for education purpose. Do your own research and trade, as crypto is very high volatile market. This video is not sponsored by Vajrex or anyone. Please follow my Twitter account, Telegram channel mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Thank you.